Before we proceed further, request you to please subscribe to our channel as shown above. Hello friends, welcome to Kamath Astrology, and in today's video we are going to talk about a very good a transit that brings about a lot of good things. So on 2nd January 2022, when the new year just starts, Jupiter is going to move from the Dhanishta Nakshatra into the Shatabhisha Nakshatra, and he is going to stay in the Shatabhisha Nakshatra till 2nd March 2022. And this is a very good transit. It brings a lot of hope for all of us. So on 2nd Jan 2022 at 5:08 p.m. IST, Jupiter moves from the Dhanishta Nakshatra into the Shatabhisha Nakshatra. You can see Jupiter represented by the letters JU in this chart. Jupiter is currently in the sign of Aquarius or Kumbh, and the Shatabhisha Nakshatra starts at 6 degree 40 minutes in the sign of Aquarius and it ends at 20 degrees in the sign of Aquarius. And Jupiter now enters into this nakshatra. So let us first understand the nature of Shatabhisha Nakshatra. Now the term Shat means 100 and Bhisha means physicians. So the term Shatabhisha or Shatabhishak refers to 100 physicians or 100 healers. Another name for this nakshatra is Shatataraka, which also refers to 100 stars. So this is a nakshatra that is associated with health and healing. Now, who is the ruling deity of this nakshatra? So the ruling deity of this nakshatra is Varun, the god of water, who rules oceans, lakes and rivers. And we all know that many secrets are hidden inside an ocean. The ocean contains different kinds of medicinal herbs, different kinds of gemstones, different kinds of pearls. So, in short, the ocean contains a treasure which is hidden from all of us because of the waves and the water. Similarly, the Shatabhisha Nakshatra has many hidden qualities, has many healing abilities, and therefore this nakshatra has everything to do with healing. Now, because Varun is the god of water, Varun is associated with the churning of the ocean, which resulted in divine gemstones coming out of the ocean, divine things coming out of the ocean, as well as poisonous things coming out of the ocean. Now, this nakshatra is ruled by the Graha Rahu, and therefore this poison represents alcohol, intoxication, addictive substances. So, the Shatabhisha Nakshatra contains the medicinal herbs, the healing substances, as well as poisons such as intoxicative substances and alcohol. Now, this nakshatra represents the highest power of Rahu. Why? Because this nakshatra lies in the sign of Aquarius, which is ruled by Saturn, and Rahu is also considered the co-ruler of Aquarius. The nakshatra of Shatabhisha itself is ruled by Rahu. So, the sign of Aquarius is all about social service. It is about research. It is about our friend circle. And therefore, Rahu's energy here is used for uplifting the society. It is used for sacrificing your life for others. It is used for living for others. And That is the positive side of this nakshatra. So, the characteristic of a person having this nakshatra is he can be very secretive in nature, just like the ocean contains many secrets within its depth. Also, this person has great healing abilities. That is, he can do mental healing, he can do physical healing. So, generally, most of the doctors have a very strong Shatavisha nakshatra because the quality of this nakshatra is to do with healing. Now, let us place Jupiter in this nakshatra. What is Jupiter? Jupiter is a teacher, he is a guru, and Jupiter's job is to spread the knowledge. So, when Jupiter goes into the Shatabisha nakshatra, he brings out the secrets from that nakshatra and uses it for the well being of the society. That is, Jupiter's entry into this nakshatra results in healing across the society. So, in the midst of corona pandemic, Jupiter's entry into Shatabisha gives us a lot of hope, gives us a lot of encouragement, and it also brings about a lot of innovations, research, and new types of medicines and vaccines to deal with this disease. The sign of Aquarius also deals with our hopes, wishes, aspirations, and desires. And at this moment, everyone wishes that the pandemic would get over. And Jupiter here provides a sense of optimism, a sense of hope. And he also brings about great progress, innovations, research, and success in developing new kinds of vaccines and medicines to tackle this disease. So the new year starts on a good note, that is from 2nd January 2022 to 2nd March 2022. Jupiter remains in this nakshatra and it provides a great protection across the world. Now, because of the Kalsarp Yoga, Jupiter may not be able to give complete results. Nevertheless, it does bring about some progress, some innovations, some research, some development in the medical field, which helps us counter this disease in a big way. The symbol of the Shatabisha nakshatra is an empty circle, and this circle actually represents the ocean within which everything is contained. It also represents making right the things that have gone wrong. So Jupiter will bring about a correction in the wrong things going about in the world in this time period. The circle also reminds us that life is a cyclic journey from birth to death, and therefore you start your life journey with nothing, and when you die, you return to nothing. So, this is a reminder that all our materialistic pursuits are actually futile, and we are born to become one with God, to unite with the Supreme. So, Jupiter's entry here provides us that ultimate knowledge, that ultimate healing which is required. Now, we have seen the positive effects of this transit, but there are some negative effects also. Now, Jupiter is present in the sign of Aquarius. The sign of Aquarius is ruled by Saturn, and along with Jupiter, you can see Neptune present in the sign of Aquarius. In Vedic astrology, Neptune is also known as Varun, and Neptune represents illusion, he represents magic, he represents deception. So, when Jupiter gets associated with Neptune, Jupiter is about spirituality, Jupiter is about religious beliefs, Jupiter is about knowledge, Jupiter is about wealth. So, people fall into a deception trap with respect to their religious beliefs, and this can result in religious clashes in the world in this time period. So, that is one negative effect of this transit, that is, Jupiter comes in close proximity to Neptune. But the good thing is Neptune is at around 26 degrees, Jupiter is at around 6 degrees. So there is a difference of 20 degrees, and therefore this effect will be minimal in this time period, though it will take some shape and some form. Lastly, Neptune represents magic, illusion, and deception. And as I explained earlier, Shatabisha Nakshatra is also associated with poisons such as alcohol, intoxication, and addictive substances. So it can draw people towards these things. Neptune also represents watery bodies, Jupiter represents expansion. So, in this time period, there can be floods, there can be water related disasters. Another symbol of the Shatabisha Nakshatra is represented by a butcher's knife. And when the energy of Rahu gets associated with this nakshatra in a wrong way, because of Jupiter's presence in this nakshatra, it can also lead to religious disputes across the world. But if you look at this transit, the positive effects outweigh the negative effects. Remember that the sign of Aquarius is also ruled by Saturn, but it represents the positive qualities of Saturn, such as socializing, upliftment of the society, healing. So, it brings about a great healing, it brings about a great transformation in the society, it brings about progress in the society, and it makes the society better. Now, because this nakshatra has to do with healing and Jupiter is present in this nakshatra, during this time period, there will be lot of philanthropic activities, religious discourses, gatherings, and people will be influenced by this. So, friends, this is my short interpretation of Jupiter's transit in the Shatabisha Nakshatra from 2nd Jan 2022 to 2nd March 2022. Now, if you require any consultations, you can email us at astrosevaworld@yahoo.com and we'll be glad to assist you. You can also visit our website astroseva.tripod.com. So, friends, thanks a lot. Bye. Take care. Stay safe. We'll see you soon shortly with another video.